I'm gonna take you through a quick leg combo. I'm holding weights, but you don't have to. So start out in a sumo position. We're gonna push down. So I'm gonna do a couple on each position so that you can see my legs. Knees over ankles, this is dynamic work. Then you're gonna turn and take a big step. And I'm gonna pop down, chest up. Notice my front toe, notice my back toe, popping through. Now you can do singles, you don't have to do repetitions, but I'm letting you see my positioning. Then you're gonna flip all the way around. Boom, pick it up, pop that back toe. Focus on really squeezing the glutes. And then I'm gonna take another step right here. Boom, big step. Remember, you can do these in singles. Really dynamic work, and then back to square one, right there. Tap those toes. So you're gonna do your first one, you're gonna turn, you're gonna step, you're gonna turn all the way around, take another big step, finish out here, hold it, squeeze your butt, squeeze your butt. I know it's not a pretty picture, but it absolutely works the legs. I hope you enjoyed that short little leg combo. Until next time.